Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and in this video also. So guys, as you can see on the screen in this video today, we are going to continue with the topic of what is networking terminology basically. Okay, because just like we have a body structure and there are lots of parts, so we are very well aware about all those things. So similarly, there is a term which is known as networking. So there are lots of things which makes a perfect networking, so we have to understand each and everything very well. So guys, in this video I'm going one step further. So in this video we are going to learn about two terminology. Okay, the first one is client's definition or peers definition. Actually, what is clients, what are clients, and what is the definition of peers? Because in my previous video also I spoke about two things. If you want to learn about networking step by step, go step by step only, and that is what my intention. And let's begin with the very first one. What is the definition of clients here? Okay, and let me tell you, it is very important guys to understand step by step and one by one. I can record a video of 2 hours and complete lots of topics, but it will not give you the clarity which you want to get from this video and the time you are spending on YouTube or watching any video. So guys, this is the definition here. What is clients? What are clients basically, or what is client? So you should see there are lots of things in this. Okay, so you should go one by one. So first of all, we will see this much information, what it is actually. Okay, this much only, and then later on rest of part. So first of all guys, a client is a network computer. Okay, in my previous video I spoke about servers. So once again, a server is a network computer. Similarly, a client is also a network computer that utilizes the resources of other network computers, including other client computers. When I recorded a video of what is the definition of servers, in that I spoke about server is a network computer which responds to the request of other computers on the network, or client computers, or even other servers. Okay, and it is that server is useful for sharing resources and all. And now we are talking about clients. So clients is like other computer on the network, and what this client will do here, they will utilize the resources, okay, of other network computer, including other client. Let me show you here one graphic. So this is a graphic here. You have one computer, one dedicated computer, that is known as client computer. Okay, it has processor, it has memory, it has storage, just like this machine only. Just like the machine which I am using, this machine is having operating system, okay, processor, RAM. Similarly, every machine will have all those things. And you can see again you have one more client here, and it is also having processor, memory, storage and all. And even you have one server, so this server will also have separate memory, RAM and storage kind of things. Okay, so client is what? It will utilizes the resources which is kept on other client, or it can be other computer, network computer, and you can say server. Okay, for example, one printer is connected to this machine, this client 2, and it is shared here. So this client 1 can take printout. Similarly, if any data is kept on this server, so this client can access the data. So what is happening here? They are utilizing the resources of other network computer. This server is other computer of this network, and this client is also a network computer of this network. Correct. Let's move to the next one. The client computer has its own processor, memory, and storage, and can maintain some of its own resources and perform its own tasks and processings. Yes, very simple. Just now I showed you these are the you can say property or resources of this machine. Basically, resource. It has one processor, one installed. I mean to say RAM, memory, operating system, and if you go to task manager, you can see resources here. Okay. Performance, you can see here how it is using resources, or you can go to resource monitor here, so you can see it is using CPU, how it is using memory, how it is using, how much it is using disk, how much it is in use as of now, network. So these are the resources of this computer. These are the resources this computer is having, or it has. Okay, now any type of computer on the network can function as a client of another computer from time to time. Let me show you one more graphic here. So once again, I have one client here, I have one client here, I have one client 3 here, client 4 is here, and I have one server. So I have some data here. This can access, this can utilize. I have one printer here. Okay, so that printer can be accessed by all the machines here. And let me take white color. Okay, it is not writable here. So they can utilize. For example, I am putting one printer here. Okay, so all client can utilize this printer. All client can access the resources from here. So this is the concept of client computer or clients. They are just simple network computers, just like other computer or server, and they utilizes resources of other computers on the network. Very simple. And those computer can be client itself or server. I hope this is very clear. Next, I will move to the next one, that is peers. Okay, and my pronunciation can be different as compared to the guy to guy, or the person who is watching it. I am reading it peers. Okay, so let me tell you about this definition. So what it is actually. So guys, a peer is a self-sufficient computer that act as both a server and a client to other similar computer on the network. I hope this statement, this definition is very clear. Peer computer is nothing but it is a self-sufficient computer that can act as a server as well as client. Okay, just like other computer or similar computer on the network. And you can say this is a self-sufficient computer. This is also a self-sufficient computer which can act as a server as well as client. And peer computing is most often used in a smaller network with no dedicated central server, but both client and server in other type of network can also share resources with their peer computers. So guys, here nothing to go in deep. Just very simple. Peer computer is nothing but it has capability of two server, or you can say two machine, basically, just like one server and client. For example, you can see this is example. For example, you got one single sufficient server here. Okay, and it can act as a server as well as client on the network. And you have one computer here, this can also act as a client and as a server. And you have one more computer, and this can also act as a client and server. So these are the separate self-sufficient computers. Okay, but all will be situated on the network. So guys, I hope this information is very clear, because I have not taken any other information, any other topic here, only two topic, what is client and what is peer. Okay, And once again I will repeat, client is nothing but it is a network computer which utilizes or uses the resources of network or resources which is available on another computer or server on the network. And peers is nothing but they are self-sufficient computer which can act as a client as well as server. Very simple. I have differentiated both things here, and I'm sure it is very clear. And if you feel it is informative, guys, please hit the notification icon or this bell icon on your YouTube channel. Like it, subscribe it, and comment it. And I will meet you in next video with some other topic. So let me show you something here. I have a complete book of, you can see here, n plus certification. Okay, volume 1. I have volume 2 also, and you can see it is having 428 page. As of now I am at 36 page. So I will be covering all the study material or all the information one by one, but I will be recording all the videos very small, very simple, just like you can say this authentication. So I will be covering this much information only in my coming up video. Like authentication will be a separate video, so you should have clear idea, you should not have any confusion and all. So I will meet you in next video, guys. I hope this is going to be informative. Till then, bye bye.